Hey folks, JD here, and today we've got a retirement video. This guy. This is my Aviax F2C. Oh, I love this guy. This guy was brilliant. This goes right the way back to almost the beginning of the channel. And this was the first waterproof drone that I bought. And yeah, I liked him. I've used him. I've crashed him. And yeah, he's just been brilliant. But unfortunately, there is a time where I've just got to get rid of drones, and this is it. I've just got to make way for all the new drones coming in. And so this next retirement video is going to be this particular drone. Now, what is this drone? Well, we've got 4 brushed motors, very basic, very SEMA-esque, very early SEMA-esque looking drone. Pretty much is a SEMA clone. Has a nice little camera on the bottom of it. Takes okay video, not too bad. SD card just fits directly into the back of it there as well. Now, this particular drone has been everywhere with me. I think I've taken it to about 4 different cities and flown it in 4 different cities. So it is, yeah, quite a somber time. But to be honest, let's just enjoy it. So let's take her up and say goodbye. Okay, so I'm just going to connect up the battery here. As soon as I connect her up, there we go. We see the LEDs are on. No on and off switch. It's just auto connect, auto works, and that's that. Really nice. Okay, let's turn on the transmitter. 1 up, 1 down to bind. LEDs now are solid on the transmitter and on the drone. Oh, it's been a little while since I've taken this guy up. I'm really looking forward to it. Oh, look at him go. A beautiful little copter. A little bit old. Oh, but all in all, just really quite nice.